Are you sure this can work for simultaneous equation involving fraction? Are you sure? I say don't worry. In this lesson, I plan it basically for those of you that were asking, can this method of solving simultaneous equation work for the one involving fraction? That is, you don't need to worry about elimination, substitution method anymore. You can solve any simultaneous equation with just this method, and you will not stress yourself. So guys, let's kick back to the questions. So but before, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that you follow more of this. So now, in trying to solve without elimination method, as I explained before, we want to find the value of x first. So let me cycle this, because we want to find the value of x. So this one I have cycled. I will find this first before this. So now, in doing this, what you will do is, as I explained before, you have to cross this. Those of you that always find it difficult, so you do it like this so that you will not forget. Then cross, cross, so that you will not forget. Okay. So now, after doing this, I will now say, because only y means one, so that is why they did not indicate that there is one there. So only y means one y. So 1y, that is 1 times minus 5 all over 2. That will give you the same minus 5 all over 2, right? Then this side is up, this side is going to be down. So 1y here and 1x, because there is one, the invisible one there. I will now write it down here 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. So we are done with the first y up from the first equation. Let's come to the second equation. Then to the second equation, going like this first. So you know that minus y all over 2 means 1 all over, sorry, minus 1 all over 2y. So which means the coefficient of this is the same thing as minus 1 all over 2, minus 1 over 2. So now just know that here is minus 1 over 2 that is multiplying 1 over 2. So 1 all over 2 multiplying 1 all over 2. In fractions, numerators multiply numerators and denominator multiply denominators. So here 1 times 1, that will be what? That will be 1. Then 2 times 2, that will give us 4, which means minus 1 all over 4. So we're supposed to have minus sign here before, so that will be minus 1 all over 4, or bracket close. The same thing, now we have done with, that is this here, we were done with that. Then we are going to this side again. We know that x all over 4 means the same thing. That is the same thing as 1 all over 4x. So the coefficient is 1 all over 4, right? So now minus 2 minus 1 all over 2 is multiplying what? 1 all over 4. 1 minus 1 times times 1 is minus 1. So 2 times 4 is 8, which means here too we are going to have a minus sign. Then minus 1 all over 8, right? Because when you do this minus this, you write it here, right? Sorry, this minus this is here, and this here, this is 1 here. So after that, we're going to introduce minus sign for both of them. So now this now will cross and multiply this, and this will cross and multiply this. So we are done. Let's continue guys. So here, this is minus, we open this minus sign. Minus times minus is plus, so that will give us 5 minus 5 all over 2 plus 1 all over 4 all over. Then here too, minus times minus, so 1 plus what? 1 all over 8. So let's continue here. So now You know that in fractions we have denominator of 2 here and we have 4 here. So for you to be able to find the LCM, the LCM here, you will draw, for that is we are doing LCM for the numerators, then we do for denominator. So I will now draw a line because the LCM here is 4. I will now write 4. So now 4 divided by 2 is what? Is 2 times minus 5. That will give us minus 10. Again, 4, this 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1. That will give us what? Plus 1. I'm done with the numerator. Here, the LCM here, any number without denominator is 1. So the LCM here is what? Is 1 as well. So for you to find the LCM here, that is 8. I will now write 8 down, right? So now 8 divided by 1 is what? Is 8 times 1. That will give us 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 1. That will give us what? 1. Okay, we are progressing. So 10 plus 1 minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9 all over 4. Here to 8 plus 1, that will give us what? That will give us that is, we are done with numerator. That will give us 8 plus 1, that will give us what? 9 all over 8. So now in fractions, when you have this all over 4 dividing 9 all over 8, we do what we call reciprocation. So let's do it the same thing here. Minus 9 all over 4 dividing 9 all over 8, which means we are going to do what is called reciprocal. Minus 9 all over 4 we multiply what? We multiply 8 all over 9. We know that 9 take care of 9 a single time, and 4 here is 1, 4 here is 2. So we know that 9 into 9 is 1, here 2. So 1 times 2, that will give us what? 2. And 1 times 1, that will give us what? 1. And this is the same thing as what? 2. So the value of x in this equation, let's claim it back here. So x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 2, right? X is equal to minus 2. So now, since we know the value of x, we now put it in any of the equation. Let's put it in equation 1. From equation 1, where we see x, we put minus 2. So from equation 1, we have x all over 4 plus y is equal to 1 all over 2. So where I see x, I put minus 2 all over 4 plus y is equal to 1 all over 2. So 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. So that is minus 1 all over 2 plus y is equal to 1 all over 2. So now y now will be equal to, we collect like terms. Taking this minus sign to the other side will change to what? Plus. And that will give us 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 2. So your y now will be equal to, in fraction, when denominators are the same, numerator plus numerators and denominator, then you take common denominator, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2 all over 2. So y now will be equal to 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. So y is what? Y is 1. So you see, it worked perfectly for simultaneous equation involving fraction. So when you have it, don't have to waste your time. Just You don't have to even take your time longer as I have been explaining. It's because I'm teaching you. That is why it took me that long to arrive here. For you can just go straight the way I did it. So that is just what, if you understand, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates of my channel. Thank you. Bye.